Santikos Entertainment was founded in 1911 in San Antonio, Texas by Louis Santikos. His son John used leading-edge technology to create one-of-a-kind experiences that grew Santikos into the largest family-owned theater chain in Texas. And he left the bulk of his estate to the San Antonio Area Foundation, which supports community nonprofits and helps carry on the legacy of Mr. Santikos.
He loved innovation. Casablanca had first theater in the United States that had 16 laser projectors. You walk into these theaters and we have bars in every single theater. We have restaurants, we serve burgers, pizza, self-serve drink stations. He started a lot of that. So as my background with food and beverage, I always look for what's the next best thing. How do we do things faster, better, cheaper, and less labor?
So we first started where we're just kind of, on our counters, just placing food items, and we would just go ahead and have people come and pick it up.
Trying to figure out how we can get the concession employees, the 16-year-old kid, to sell an item to a customer or sell more items to the customer.
The Santikos team came to Apex with several goals. Keep the workflow simple for its young employees, keep each order secure, and ensure that every customer always gets the right order.
A lot of conversations internally with Santikos and talking to the Apex team. What's the magic number? How many lockers? What size of the lockers? Do we do the heated one? Do we not do the heated one? Working with the Apex team's been a lot of fun to try to get the right math.
Santikos chose 4 locations to implement a mix of self-serve order pickup solutions, including both flow-through lockers and heated order pickup stations.
We had them installed. We had our IT team here, we had our operations, and then they installed the locker. We had everything ready for the spacing, and then they showed us on how to use the tablets, how to place in our orders, and how to do the pickups. Now you're placing the food item into an individual locker. Now they're getting their own text message. Now they're putting in their own code so that locker will open up for that guest.
You can't make it any simpler. In busy times, we were putting 3 or 4 people back there trying to hand out orders. So the labor savings on our side has been great. From the customer side, they get their food the right way. There's no hesitation. They know that if they ordered a cheeseburger with no onion, they're going to get that. They love it. It's the innovation part that Mr. Santikos talked about. The lights, the wow, okay, what do I do? They see the door pop open and they're like, oh, that's awesome. So it was fun to watch how customers would interact with the whole Apex lockers.
It also helps because now they can go and put in their own code. They get to grab their own food. They don't have to worry about somebody being in the back, not being there to help them. It's kind of like an extended employee added to our location.
We're always looking, and it goes back to Mr. Santikos. How do we innovate the next big thing? And labor is always a big constant in every industry. How do you do things faster with less labor? So the Apex system will definitely help us with that.
Give your customers the fast, easy order pickup experience they deserve.